This conference will now be recorded.
So what we have done here is in at Quota U, I have changed this. I've changed this hard limit and soft limit, which we have seen last time we were facing some issues. So this soft and hard, the first soft and hard limits are for the size. This next soft and hard limits are for actually the number of files. So here, let's say we wanted to give 500 MB space. So here MB is going to be caps M. That's how it's got recognized. And hard limit, let's say if I want to give only 4 files, I don't want to create more than 4 files. So there are two type of limits we are implementing. First on the size and second on the number of files. If we exceed more than 4 files, it will restrict us, or if we exceed more than 500 MBs, even in a single file also, it will restrict us to create that file or to write to this user what we are having right now. So let's close and exit and let's see this option. So how to check which all user does have how much of permission for that particular folder, we will be able to see with the help of repquota-sp developer. So developer is a folder which we have mounted our SDB1 hard disk into. So we have pressed enter. Now you can see the test is having 500 MB. That is what we have mentioned, and this 4 is a hard limit we have set. So this is the file limit. It means that's what the number of file limit it is having. The space limits is this is a space limit, hard space limits. So let's go back to test user since it's created for test. Su test. Now we have permission denied. Obviously we are into another folder, so we will have permission denied. So test one folder is already there inside developer, and we have logged in from the test user. You can see that this is the test user, and for test we are set to hard limit for 4. So let's try to create file name is file1. We are able to create file2. We are able to create, let's see, yep, we have 2 files. Let's create through file3. We have 3 files. Okay, let's create 4. No issues. We have 4 files. Let's create file 5. You can see that write failed. User file limit reached. Touch cannot touch file disk file 5 disk quota exceeded. Since we are setting this hard limit for 4, it's it has created only 4 files, not more than that. So you can try with copying more than 500 MB files as well. It will fail and it will say that this quota has been exceeded. So this is what we have been missing from the last session. One was the argument which we were missing, and the second was what is the option to check the user has how much, I mean, what is the permission for a particular user. So for that command was sv rep quota -sv slash the mounted file system name, which will show like this. So that's what we have. You can see that report is we have all used four inodes, four files we have already used. We are having hard limit of 4. We have used all 4. Here we don't have any size. We have not written anything. That's why it's still 0 KB. So that's it for the session. Thank you.